What have you
Sure
decided?
have. I'm going to get a brand new car, and then I'm going to take a trip to the Caribbean.
In the car?
Not in the car. No.
It's going to be a little
I'll
tough.
fly down there.
All right.
I'd like to go with U.S. landmarks for 100.
The answer is, named for the channel it spans, this California bridge is really orange, Jack.
What is the Golden Gate?
You're right. Go again.
Let's try U.S. landmarks again for 150.
The answer, from the Spanish for Cottonwood, the site where Jim Bowie and Davy Crockett died. Michael.
What is the Alamo?
That is right. Your turn to select.
Okay, I'll go with U.S. landmarks for 200.
The answer is the building on the back of a $20 bill, Jack.
What is the U.S. Treasury?
That is incorrect. Cynthia or Michael, do either one of you have an answer? Michael?
What is the U.S. Capitol building?
No, that is incorrect, and that's going to cost you. Cynthia, do you want to take a chance?
Can't even guess.
I'll give it to you. The correct question is, what is the White House?
Well, let's see what we can do with U.S. landmarks for 250.
The view from this Colorado summit inspired the song America the Beautiful. Cynthia.
What is Pikes Peak?
You're right. $250 more for you from the U.S.